Shwmae and welcome. Today's trail comes from northeast Wales, where I'm going to be undertaking a series of unique adventures around the historic town of Llangollen. First up, I'm going to be led on a series of water-based activities by Bearded Men Adventures and visiting one of only 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Wales. So, let's get into it. Now first up, I'm going to be undertaking a canoe trip around the region's majestic waterways, courtesy of Bearded Men Adventures. This 2-hour trip takes in the stunning scenery of the D Valley, alongside passing over the highest canal aqueduct in the world. So let's get kitted up and get paddling. So we are now passing over the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct. This is one of 4 UNESCO heritage sites here in Wales. It stands at 126 feet high and it's over 1,000 feet in length, which makes it the highest aqueduct in the UK and the longest canal aqueduct in the world. It was built in 1805 after 10 years of construction and was designed by Thomas Telford. Now it features 18 symmetrical arches and a lockless design, meaning their water level is consistent throughout. It's absolutely stunning, and if you peer over the edge, there's quite a drop. Absolutely beautiful. So I've had a very leisurely morning on the canoe, getting to paddle over the famous aqueduct, but it's time to ramp things up this afternoon, and I'm going to head whitewater rafting on the River Dee. And I've been told we might even get to flip the raft. Let's go get wet. So just got back from the whitewater rafting, absolutely incredible experience. The rapids were awesome and the guys were super fun. And we even got to do a little bit of rapid surfing. It was all in all a fantastic afternoon. It's time to dry myself off, put some clothes on and go for a strut up the historic Dinas Castell Brân. Let's go. So I've made it up to Castle Dinas Brân. I took the easy option, parking on the panorama walk and taking the short 700-meter stroll up to its summit. It was very steep though, with over 100 meters of elevation gain. Now when you get up here, you'll be greeted by absolutely magnificent views back over Llangollen below and around towards the aqueduct. It is absolutely magnificent. Now this stronghold sits at a height of 321 meters and was built way back in 1260. Now the castle's existence existence was very short-lived. It was burnt down in 1277 when English rulers tried to take it over, and then it was abandoned in 1282. However, what remains is truly breathtaking, and like I said, it offers stupendous views back over the valley. Right, I'm going to go enjoy these views and take in this magnificent sunset. Well, that's it from me. I've had one epic adventure-fueled day, which has been topped off by this sensational sunset view. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come down to this delightful slice of Wales to try out some of the activities put on by the wonderful Bearded Men Adventures, or just to check out some local history and check out these stunning views. Until next time, diolch yn fawr.